I perform perineal care. So what is perineal care? Perineal care is a cleaning and washing of external genital area of the patient. That is called perineal care. So why we perform perineal care? For prevent infection and promote cleanliness. Okay. So what articles to be used in perineal care? Let's see. First of all, wash basin with lukewarm water to clean perineal area. Second of all, soap dish with soap. Apply the genital area for cleaning. Wash cloth after the perineal care, providing washcloth of the patient. Bath towel for the drying of patient perineal area. Bath blanket. After the procedure, we need to cover the patient. This is the bedpan if require the patient for use. This is the disposable glass for prevent cross infection. This is the cotton swab for cleaning of perineal area. This is the kidney tray for collect liquid waste. This is the artery forceps for cleaning the perineal area. This is the tissue paper we need to use for cleaning of perineal area or genital area. This is the diaper. It is additional. Before the starting of procedure, we need to explain the procedure of patient and maintain privacy of the patient. After then, provide patient dorsal recommended position, wash hand and wear clean gloves. After then, give position to the patient with leg spread apart. After then, flex and extend of the legs. Same procedure. Do another leg also. After the giving of dorsal recommended position, we need to cover the patient. Cover the patient with top sheet. With triangle shape. After then, take the corner of the top sheet, wrap the diamond sheet like this. Wrap the thigh. Same procedure we have to do another leg. After then, the check genital area. Any inflammation or skin infections we need to check. If any fecal material is there, we need to remove the diaper and discard. After the discard of diaper, we need to clean the perineal area with tissue paper. After then, remove these gloves and wear clean gloves. Place wash basin with lukewarm water, tissue paper and artery forceps with table and soap with soap dish. Take a tissue paper, dip soap with water and clean one thigh. One tissue paper used only one thigh cleaning. After then, discard the tissue paper in kidney tray. Same procedure we have to do another thigh. Forceps with cotton ball, wet cotton ball. After then, wash labia majora while using non-dominant hand to retract labia from thigh. One cotton ball, use one stroke. After then, discard the kidney tray. Take another cotton ball, clean the labia majora and discard. After then, one hand separate the labia majora, clean the labia minora. Take a bath towel. It will be used to dry the genital area and both thigh. After then, remove the Macintosh with draw sheet and discard. After the removing of Macintosh, give patient comfortable position. After the removing of wet top sheet, we need to provide patient clean top sheet and cover. After the cover of top sheet, we need to provide patient clean cloths and ask the patient any discomfortable or any burning sensation and any irritation, and remove gloves, wash your hand and document our procedure.